Hey guys, I'm heading to another continent in search of gold with my metal detector. I have a 19-hour flight ahead of me. Wish me luck. Before I took off, I got all set and reserved myself a nice hotel, snagged a cool car rental, and now all I need is for this flight to go without a hitch. And hey, the most important thing is that my luggage with the metal detector doesn't go missing, or else this whole trip of mine would be a total bummer.
Well, guys, here I am, landed in Africa. Well, I'm gonna hit the hay now. Gotta wake up at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. Fingers crossed for some good luck. Let's get this show on the road.
Погнали.
This mountain road is like a real-life roller coaster, offering picturesque panoramas and heart-stopping thrills thanks to its cliff-hang beauty and the absence of safety rails. Buckle up and enjoy a wild ride. I headed up the mountains to an elevation of approximately 1,800 meters. Boy, was it a whole lot colder up here than down below, and the sky was all cloudy. I went from sweltering in 35 degrees Celsius heat to a mere 13 degrees. I even had to put on a sweater to keep warm. Without wasting a second, I pulled out my metal detector and got right into the search. My reckoning is pretty straightforward. See, this here spot used to be home to a mighty mountain river, and it just might washed away some nuggets of gold from them rocky hillsides. When the riverbed dried up, them golden treasures ought to have stayed right here, but that's just in theory. I figured I'd kick off my search from the top and make my way down along the riverbed. Just to be safe, I also scoped out the surrounding area, covering the territory adjacent to the bed. You never know what hidden treasures might have ended up nearby or got washed ashore. Gotta cover all the bases, right? 2 hours done passed, and my haul so far amounts to a couple of darn useless pieces of iron. But hey, that's the nature of treasure hunting. Ya win some, ya lose some. On the third hour of my search, I picked up a faint signal, but dang it, turns out it was just a false alarm. Ain't nothing but a tease getting my hopes up for nothing. It's like playing a cruel trick on a treasure hunter, filling you with hope and then snatching it away. Looks like the gold gods took pity on me, because just about 2 yards away from that spot, I heard a clear signal ringing in my ears. The nugget was just lying right on the surface. Didn't even have to dig. This nugget is worth only $50, but I'm still stoked. That means there's gold in this place.
The start is me.
For the next hour, nothing was happening. The metal detector was stubborn silent. I meticulously combed through the area, but besides a couple of false signals, there was nothing else. To top it off, the weather started getting noticeably worse. Overall, the mood was damn awful. Hey folks, while I'm out here running around like a chicken with its head cut off, how about I share a couple of interesting facts about gold? All the gold ever mined in the history of mankind would fit into just 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. There's about 170,000 tons of gold that's been dug up in the world. That's roughly 60s of all the gold ever yanked out of the earth. All right, guys, hold up. I got a solid signal right here. Gotcha. Tossing another little golden nugget, no more than $50, into the piggy bank. Mood's gotten a tad better. The weather took a turn for the worse. Cold rain started pouring, so I decided to call it quits on this spot and continue the search tomorrow. Today wasn't my lucky day. I got soaked, froze my butt off, and barely made $100. Let's see what tomorrow brings. next day, I started right where I left off yesterday. The weather up in them mountains today was a tad better, but still damn lousy. Just like yesterday, for the first couple of hours, that metal detector stayed silent. I was starting to think I wasted my time coming here today, should have gone to another spot, and then out of nowhere. I heard a clear as day signal, no more than 5 inches deep. I couldn't for the life of me figure out what the hell was going on. When I brought the metal detector close, it showed that I had already unearthed the object, and it was right there on the surface. But when I used the little pinpointer, it damn well stayed silent. I swung the metal detector again, and it was beeping like crazy. I whipped out the pinpointer. Not a peep. This whole ordeal went on for over 5 damn minutes. After the rain, the ground was all damp, and every damn rock was covered in sticky clay, so I couldn't see what the metal detector was reacting to. It was really starting to piss me off. And then it finally hit me. God damn it!
Fuck me.
Well, guys, I got so damn worked up that I completely forgot to turn on the damn pinpointer. As soon as that finally hit me, I immediately found this right here in a chunk of clay. I struck gold, folks. Found a beautiful golden nugget weighing approximately a quarter ounce.
Check out this absolute babe.
Unfortunately, that was the first and only find of the day. Didn't come across anything else. I've decided to thoroughly survey this spot tomorrow. Maybe luck will finally shine and I'll stumble upon a big old nugget before moving on to the lower area. Heard there used to be a raging mountain river down there too, but judging by the satellite imagery, the riverbed appears to be rockier. The next day, I got a signal in just about 10 minutes. Thinking back to yesterday's sweet gold nugget, my hands got all sweaty and drool started flowing. But no, it turned out to be a small chunk of gold worth around $70.
Still, I was stoked to find it right off bat and had high hopes for a lucky day ahead. But unfortunately, I was dead wrong. Right towards the evening, I stumbled upon another golden nugget. And let me tell ya, this one was a little fancier than the rest, shaped like a fancy brooch, all twisted up like the number 8. Hey, folks, let me tell you, I had higher expectations from this here spot. After 3 days of scouring that big ol' area, my haul came to a little over $450. Tomorrow, I'm heading to a different spot down below. It's another old, dried-up riverbed, but from a whole different mountain river, you know what I mean? Hey guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next episode. I'll be out there hunting for gold on that new spot. Trust me, both you and I will be blown away by what I find and who I'll run into. And in the upcoming episode, I'll weigh my gold from both spots and we'll see just how much I've earned. So don't you fret, we'll catch up real soon.